I really can't sit down on the chair. What you doing? What are you doing? In your little belly skin. Show me the one that's red. Red stick. Show me red stick. Is that red or pink? That's pink? Which one is green? Show me green stick. Pink stick. Put in the pink stick on the pink book and the green one on the green book. Beat the drum. Beat the drum and sing a song. Sing a song. What song is that? Sing Jesus Loves Me. I don't know that song. Sing deep and wide. No. Sing Daddy Finger. They carrying me go. Alright, look what you did to the house. Yeah? Why is the house like this? And these are your puzzles. I really take out all the toys and throw them on the ground and playing with a box and 2 sticks. Huh? No, I don't. How do you spell cat? You remember you spelled cat today? C-A-T. Spell cat for mommy. You're picking your nose? Yucky. Yucky. Why are you picking your nose? You're picking your nose. That's yucky. Sit down and mind your drop. You don't want to fall. Where you going? That's Teddy? What you doing with Teddy? Teddy's sleeping. Whoa, you're a good mommy. Teddy has a pillow. That's Teddy's sheet. Whoa. Whoa, Teddy's sheet. Sleep, Teddy, sleep. Sing Twinkle Twinkle to Teddy. Twinkle. Whoa. You're putting Teddy up here now. But Teddy's gonna sleep on the table? Hmm? Is on the table Teddy sleeping? I'm being noisy? But you have to let Teddy sleep. You can't move Teddy around so much. Just leave Teddy and let Teddy sleep. Teddy is well covered. You're a good mommy. High five. High five. Shh. Okay. Sing Rockabye Baby for Teddy.
Rockabye baby on the cheetah. When the wind blows, rockabye baby on the cheetah. When the wind blows,
Whoa, good job. High five. High five. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
See you later.